Is a cruise drink package worth it? That question comes up on social media all the time. It should be just a simple math problem, right? Well, Cruising with KK is here to tell you it's not just that. Picture this: a beer at the bar, a daiquiri by the pool, a cocktail at night. Drinking is as much a part of cruising these days as visiting exotic ports of call. So is a drink package right for you? MSC currently offers the Easy Package that includes one brand for a variety of spirits, house wines, and beer. About a dozen cocktails are offered, including a margarita, mojito, Long Island iced tea, Bloody Mary, pina colada, and strawberry daiquiri. If you like Heineken, you're in luck. If you don't, you might want to pick another package, as it's the only beer included in the Easy Package. Soft drinks, bottled water, fruit juices, and hot drinks are included with the Easy Package. The Easy Plus package includes all that and any drinks up to $10 in price. It's a greater variety of frozen and classic cocktails, a lot more beer choices, and protein shakes too. It's the most popular package. The Premium Extra package covers all beverages up to $16 and offers a few additional drinks that the other two packages do not. For the most part, the drinks include a premium spirit. Now, the obvious first step is to do the math. Let's say a premium drink package costs $80 per day. If a cocktail costs $12 and a specialty coffee is $5, you'd need to drink at least 7 cocktails or a mix of beverages to break even. A beer might cost you $8, so you'd need to drink 10 a day, or maybe 7 beers and a few bottled waters to stay hydrated. Sounds simple, right? But wait, there's more to it. Most people will tell you to get the drink package if you drink that much, and if you don't, just pay as you go. But I'm here to tell you that math ain't mathin'. Here's why. Your cruise is about relaxation, not stress. Fun, not worrying about money. Your attitude will be totally different with a drink package versus without. Without a drink package, you'll be worried about every drink you buy, debating whether it's worth another $10 to $15. You'll stress over the final bill on disembarkation day. And trying something new? Forget about it. You'll stick to your favorite drink all cruise long, avoiding the risk of not liking something new. That doesn't sound relaxing or fun. That sounds stressful, and that's why whether or not to get the drink package isn't a simple math question. Part of the joy of cruising is indulging in the little luxuries. A drink package can make your cruise feel all-inclusive. It's not just about the math, it's about how you want to enjoy your vacation. With a drink package, you'll try drinks on the menu that sound great, but you'd never try if you were paying for them. Say you see a blue Hawaiian punch on the menu with white rum, coconut rum, and pineapple juice. It's something you'd like to try, but that coconut rum has you a little nervous how it will taste. Without a drink package, you're not rolling the dice and spending $10 or $15 to taste it. With the drink package, you're telling the bartender to mix you up too. And if you're ordering something terrible, without a drink package, you're sucking it down anyway. With a drink package, you can dump it and order something different. The package gives you a chance to try new things. You might find a new favorite cocktail, beer or wine. Should you get the drink package? It's partly a math question, but also about valuing less stress, more freedom, and more options. Is that worth $20 a day? I think so. Maybe more. But you're on vacation, and it's worth a few extra dollars for a carefree attitude. You've already spent a lot on the cruise, gratuities, transportation, and excursions. What's a few extra dollars in the scheme of things to have a significantly better time? Now, there are a few other things to consider. Most cruise lines force passengers sharing the same cabin to have the same drink package. Keep an eye on the cost of the drink package. The price fluctuates on many cruise lines, and most will allow you to cancel your package and rebuy it. Those savings can be significant on a 7-day cruise when you're talking about 2 people. Don't just calculate the price of alcohol when doing the math. Factor in the cost of soft drinks if you'll drink any of those, as well as bottled water. It's so much easier to grab a bottled water at the closest bar versus having to go to your room, grab a drink holder, head to the buffet, fill it up, and then head back to your room. If you do purchase the drink package, grab some waters or soft drinks the night before disembarkation and throw them in your stateroom's fridge. You'll be glad you have them the next morning when most all the bars and places to get anything to drink are closed. Now, don't get me wrong with all this. There are times when you're better off not getting the drink package. Are you someone who drinks one day but needs a couple of days before you drink again? What are you doing at the ports of call? Will you be off enjoying an excursion all day at each port? Are you cruising with kids and plan to spend the majority of your days and nights with them and will be less inclined to drink while doing so? In those instances, you might be better off skipping the drink package and instead hit up happy hour or enjoy the drink of the day to save some cash. Should you get the drink package on your next cruise? If you're asking yourself that question, chances are the answer is yes. But the answer is more than just simple math. Thanks for watching the video. If you found any value in the explanation, I'd love for you to subscribe to the Cruising with KK channel. I'll be posting dozens more videos offering tips, tricks, and explanations on all things cruising. While you're at it, comment with what your favorite drink is to enjoy on board a cruise. Happy cruising!